The best way to understand what AI can do for quality control is to look at what real companies have actually done. Take a bakery inspecting 30,000 loaves a day. They spent 3 months collecting images before they even started training their model. Then, they ran it in shadow mode, inspecting but not acting for 6 weeks. That shadow period caught a blind spot with a particular flour supplier's crust color, and they fixed it before a single loaf was wrongly diverted. Or consider a pharmaceutical tablet line in a regulated facility. They classified the AI as an inspection aid, not a release decision maker. The model flagged suspects. A human made the call. Detection went from 92 to 99.2%, and the inspection workload dropped 70%. Common thread? Start narrow, label carefully, shadow first, and make AI part of your quality system, not something bolted on beside it.